Good morning, everyone. Welcome to a new video on our channel. It will be a 2-minute video where I'm gonna explain the IC Silver Bullet setup that I have took on the 15th of August on GBPUSD pre-London session. The idea, I'm gonna go through simple illustration on the graph from buy-side liquidity, fair value gap, and so on, in order to understand how I took the trade and why I took it. I need also to know that there's an ICT indicator for MT4 and MT5. You can find the link in the description below. That will help you to illustrate all those elements on the chart without the need to, let's say, do them manually. However, I'm doing this manually just for educational purposes for the new people that are on this channel to understand how we trade the ICT Bullet and how we do it. So I'm on GBPUSD on M1 chart. We can see simply on the start of the day, we have the Asian range. So we have a buy side liquidity, we have a sell side liquidity that are drawn. And just after, on 9 o'clock, so my time, it is 2 a.m. New York time. We have a drawn on liquidity on the buy side liquidity and creating a big gap. So let me zoom a little bit here. So we have this fair value gap that is created. So usually what happens, we're gonna search for elements for a change of character or market structure shift in order to go down and take some sell side liquidity. However, it's not always the sell side liquidity that we're gonna target. In our case here, we have this this candle. It have left this space, so we're expecting the price to fill up this space, and we have also, I think I didn't mention on this graph, is this order block just right here. So this the last red candle, which is also our liquidity. So if I look at the graph and I'm searching for a sell, what I need to see is a price filling this gap, a price that may tackle the order block that is just right here, or the sell liquidity later on. So I have different approaches. If I take just let's forget about the silver bullet window. Silver bullet window is what I'm highlighting here. So my time is from 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. New York time is 3 a.m. to 4 a.m. just for you to get a reference, as you may be in a different time zone. So the idea is I'm just trading the silver bullet. I would have take the trade, frankly speaking, just right here if I was in front of my PC, because I have a shift of market structure just right here. So we see a really drop in the price. You have a fair value gap that is in orange here. The price get back to this fair value gap, and after that it goes down. However, the idea is just to focus on IC Silver Bullet and to focus on the window to trade IC Silver Bullet, which is the blue one. If we go to the blue one and we apply the same approach, so we have buy side liquidity taken, we have a run up in price. It left an imbalance here. We have an order block and we have the sell side liquidity just below. So the idea is once the silver bullet window started, we have a new change of character or market structure shift. Left a fair value gap just right here. So I would have take my trade entry here, stop loss just right here. My first take profit basically around this area. My second take profit around this area. My third take profit would be here, and frankly speaking, I would be targeting also the sell side liquidity just below this, which didn't happen as see on my live chart. So the idea is, let me take my Fibonacci. What happened is that follow. Basically, I entered. I took my 2R just here. Usually on the first profit I book, my stop loss is on the entry side, just to protect my capital and protect my trade. I took my around 3R just right here, and I took around 5R just right here. I still have a small lot that is running. I'll keep it up, but with a shosh happen here, I have little faith that the price, at least in the London session, will continue down. So just to summarize, the different elements used for this entry, simply we have a range, a buy side liquidity, side liquidity that is took. We have a rapid price movement, leaving behind imbalances, leaving behind sell side liquidity. We have a shift in market structure inside the silver bullet window, a good fair value gap, and all of this is really in the premium zone of this candle. Stop loss is above the highs, and take profit is basically on each sell side liquidity. Thanks a lot. Hope this video is beneficial for you. Don't forget, go to MQL5, download the indicator. You can find the link in the description below. Till next time, have safe trading. Thank you.